Hey there, it's Mahesh. I hope you are doing well. If you have stumbled upon this video, chances are you are exploring WarriorPlus and wondering if it's a viable platform for affiliate marketing, and perhaps you're curious about the potential to make $10,000 a month online. Well, in this review, I'll dive into the details of WarriorPlus, discussing its legitimacy, earning potential, and the types of products it offers. If you are interested in my favorite strategy for reaching around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from the comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link from the description. Alright, and I request you to please stick to this video till the end. Why? Because there is a mind-boggling bonus for you. Alright, I have actually extensively reviewed various methods of making money on this channel. Different networks, websites, products and business models. Some are fantastic and some are not so much. And unfortunately, some are outright scams. So let's descend WarriorPlus and understand how this platform operates. You know, WarriorPlus is the prominent affiliate marketing network where product creators upload their offerings spanning various categories. You know, signing up is free and accessible globally, making it more inclusive than some other platforms. Unlike certain networks with strict regional restrictions, WarriorPlus allows users from all around the world to participate. The platform excels in categories related to internet marketing, including affiliate marketing, copywriting, email marketing, dropshipping, social media, CPA, SEO, and many more. Additionally, it covers different platforms such as Amazon, Google, eBay, and various softwares and services. However, just like any marketplace, the quality of products varies. It's crucial to differentiate between excellent and mediocre offerings. You know, WarriorPlus, like other affiliate networks, hosts both exceptional and super products. Your task is to shift through and identify the gems. Alright, you know, navigating the platforms is user friendly. You can select products based on categories and top sellers. While high sales indicate popularity, and it doesn't guarantee product quality. You know, after finding a product, you request approval for the creator to become an affiliate. Commission rates typically range from 40 to 60%. So I'll demonstrate how to obtain an affiliate link. It's very easy. You can go to category section and go across all the niches and select a product and get approval, or else you can directly visit offer section. Okay, there is an offer section in affiliate category. So once you click on that, once you open offer section, and here you can find n number of products. So what you have to do is you have to click on approval, so get link, and there you will be finding a note to get approval. Or else before you move on to that, just go with the sales page, know about the product. If you are interested to promote that product, then you can go and click on approval. So once you click on approval, you would be getting a note saying to enter a message. So if you like an approved scripts for you, then you can please comment down below. I would be giving away those approved scripts so that you can get easily approvals from the vendor's end. Alright, so it's very easy. So after finding a product, you request approval for the creator to become an affiliate. You know, commission rates typically range between 40 to 60%, as I said. So that's it, guys. WarriorPlus offers straightforward payment methods. I've personally withdrawn earnings from this platform by making use of PayPal. The process involves linking your PayPal account and withdrawing funds seamlessly. To sum up, WarriorPlus shines in its global accessibility, ease of use, and efficient payment handling. However, its limitation lies in the specific categories. It caters to mainly focusing on internet marketing, software, and related services. Unfortunately, WarriorPlus falls short in educating users to effective sales strategies. For beginners, understanding how to promote products strategically is crucial, and this platform doesn't provide comprehensive guidance. So at last, I would like to conclude saying WarriorPlus is a great platform if you are comfortable marketing products within its specified categories. If you are interested in exploring WarriorPlus further and potentially earning commissions, check out the platform at WarriorPlus.com. Now, if you are new to affiliate marketing and feel lost on how to start, I've put together a free training that outlines the steps to go from zero to your first $10,000 a month. click the link below to access the training and kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. As I said, there would be a bonus for you at the end of this video. I'm a normal Indian person. I'm earning money in dollars. If a normal Indian person who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Alright, so there is my own program which is called the Stash Show Method in the second link of this description. You can grab this for just $1 if you are anywhere all across the world, and if you are from India, I'm giving away this ebook for just 11 rupees. So I request you to please grab this, go across with the video tutorial so that you can start your own supplement business without any inventory and without any money. So this is very interesting information what I've shared. So I request you to please grab this. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video and this review on WarriorPlus. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Until next time, take care. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day.